In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify Stripe account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to complete verification in the Stripe dashboard, why each detail matters, and how to avoid the most common pitfalls so your account gets approved smoothly. Start in your Stripe dashboard and open your settings. Find the section for your business or account information. Enter your legal business name exactly as it appears on official records. If you are an individual or sole proprietor, use your personal legal name. Add your registered business address and your tax 499 where applicable. Accuracy is essential here. What you type should match government and tax documents character for character, including punctuation and suffixes. Stripe also requires personal details for the people who own or manage the business. Provide full legal names, dates of birth, and other requested information. This is part of standard identity checks that payment platforms must perform. If you see a banner prompting you to upload identification, follow it right away. Upload clear photos of a government-issued photo 499 or passport. Make sure the images are well lit. Edges are visible, and here is no glare or blur. The name and birth date on the 499 must match what you entered in the dashboard. Only upload through the secure Stripe interface, and don't crop or edit the images in a way that hides important details. Next, verify your bank account to confirm ownership. Link the account you want to use for payouts, and ensure the account holder name matches your business or your legal personal name. Depending on your region, you may be asked to confirm small test deposits or complete instant verification. Double-check the routing and account numbers before submitting to avoid delays. For address verification, make sure your business and personal addresses match what appears on official documents, like bank statements. Include apartment or suite numbers. Use the correct postal code and keep the same formatting used on your documents. Consistency across all entries is key to passing automated checks. Then verify your phone number from the account details section. Enter your number, choose to receive a text message, and type in the code you receive. If it doesn't arrive, confirm the number is correct. Wait a moment and request a new code. Be sure you can receive texts on that device and never share verification codes with anyone. Once everything is submitted, Stripe may take a short time to review. Watch your dashboard for confirmation or any follow-up requests. Keep your information up to date, and only upload documents through the dashboard for security.